Yellow Cat has been Bex. 2 more runners left. Heroes Honor and Form follows function. Heroes Honor walks in. Final call now for your bets. Last call to place your bets. We're only waiting for Form follows function, and race number 10 pick for event will be ready in just a short while. Class division category number 2, 1,400 meters is the distance. 13 runners, but 12 in numbers. Form follows function. Halfway through. She's inside. Set, ready for racing. Racing just is started. We have Yellow Cat break quickly at the start to the mark, moving upon the outside. Summer Style Form follows function. Then comes Royal Choice. Wish Ko Lang is running by Darila. Then comes Going West Crusader. Promise is standing strong. Then followed over by Action Sailor. Got to know second last, while Heroes Honor is the early trailer by about 20 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch, we have the fast is stepping to the mark on its favorite position as the pace setter by about 3 lengths. Summer Style in second, Wish Ko Lang is racing in third, then followed by Form follows function. Rushing up is a Royal Choice, then down on the inside is Yellow Cat. Promise, Crusader, Going West, Action Sailor, then followed over by Heroes Honor is standing strong, while Got to Know now racing in 13th. Last 400 meters of the race, Eret still to the mark by about 4 lengths. Then here comes Royal Choice, now trying to get closer in second. Summer Style, Yellow Cat likewise arriving at the scene as they swing for home. We have Royal Choice takes command to the mark. Summer Style moving upon the outside, now is a Yellow Cat with about 100 meters of the race. Royal Choice to the mark once again, down on the inside, then moving up is a Going West to the mark. Going West, and finally a long shot to the mark. Going West, then comes Action Sailor, close with Royal Choice. Promise, Yellow Cat, Super 6.
Dejado, numero 10, to the mark, Jaw sa ulog, bata. Segundo numero 11, Going West. Kala natin palagpas ng isang kabayo kanina, pero meron